Hi guys, this is an integration video of Serval Game Kit version 2 and Fast AI. So I have this SGK v2 base project. I've installed the Fast AI plugin into this. Go ahead, open the master character. So if you go to SGK Blueprint character, and if you open the master character, and also open the Fast AI character, if you go to Blueprints, third person, open this. All right, so I'm going to copy a couple of things. I'm going to copy the spawn collision. All right. I'm just going to copy this, Control C and Control V. And I pretty much don't have to configure any of this. You can increase, decrease the size if you want. Then what I'm going to do is the SGK character, go to class settings. I'm going to reparent this to AI character here. And then I'm going to go to the function override. I'm going to override this function is alive. So what I'm going to do is grab this character component and make sure it's valid. Then I'm gonna do character dead. Get character dead. Negate that since I'm looking for if it's alive, and do that. And if you go to the class defaults and type in tag, right? Make sure you're not gonna have this tag. Make sure you add the player tag. Okay. Now you can go here. Okay, see that works. I can just get killed. So I'm gonna do it quickly. Equipped. Equipped. I'm just gonna run away so that I can quickly load this. So see if it working. Okay, this one is an aggressive enemy. This one, okay, this one. All right, so there you go. This one is a zombie. That one is a range. What else we have? This is a civilian. Uh, all right, so that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any other questions. This is the quickest integration video I have done. Thank you.